Hi everyone, today in RITEC, continuing with the series of Microsoft Office with Word, today we're going to show you how to open Word and how to navigate in some part, and then we will continue further and further. So here you click here in the Windows button, or you just press the button in your keyboard, then you write Word, then enter. You see your application start loading. So now here we see our recent files that I have been working. It will tell you the date, the name, it will tell you which one you have been. So here you have black document reports, but all these are because of templates. So to check these templates, you can go here, new, and then you can find online templates that are free. For example, you want to do a certificate, you can find many templates that are free, and you can click and open it if you need. We will do something like this later on, but let's continue now. Now here you want to open, you have very few options. So one of them is your cloud. As you know now, is offer a cloud when you open an account with Microsoft Office, and you can save all your file there, and it's pretty good because it's auto saving, so you will save your file all the time and you won't be scared that it's missing or something, or you forgot to save. And it's on the cloud, you can open from everywhere and you can share the file. Then you have your PC, it will show you all your folders. Then you have add a place, then you want to add a new OneDrive. Then you have your browser. When you click on browser, you are looking in your computer, so you look there for some stuff. So that's for this. Then you have more options here that I will explain later because now we don't need it. So let's click in new. So it will open our new document, and we have here on the bottom on the right, we have the different mode to work on. So we have the read mode, it will read like a book. Then we have the one we will like to work always. We will have then the web design, but we don't use it too much, I think. So depends of you. You want to do a web page with Word document. Then you have zoom in, zoom out. For zoom in, zoom out, you can press the button control in your keyboard and move the mouse like this, up and down, scroll up and down. Then you will see how it's zooming and zooming out. Here we have the language on the top of and bottom of the left, and we can change the language depending on which one we want to use. We have the page, we can click and we will get the navigation. And here we have the autosave, we have the save, Control S, we have file, home, insert. So in this all for this video, please share it, comment, subscribe to the channel. In the next video I will continue explaining the clipboard, and then we will move to phone and continuing. I will move one by one and show you. So that's all for this one. See you in the next one. Bye bye.